Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. And today what I have for everyone is the microphone for microphone performance test with the DIGDIY ANC truly wireless ANC Bluetooth earbuds. Alright, so all the audio for this video is coming from the onboard microphones on the earbuds, okay? So right now you guys are getting an idea of what the microphone performance sounds like in ideal situations. So this is as quiet as I can get my room here, okay? We do have the AC going, but you shouldn't be able to hear it that loudly. And this is what I would call an ideal microphone performance environment. Now, I also have some crowd noise pulled up on my Fire Stick in the background here, and when we need to do a simulated crowd noise test, which is what we're going to do in a little bit here, that's what we're going to use. Okay? But before we get into that, I just want to show everyone how I have this set up. Now today I am recording this video using the front cameras on the Pixel 2 XL, okay? And this video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, alright? So I have a screen recording that I'm going to drop in the video now to show y'all how I have this set up. So as you can see, I do have the DIGDIY ANC truly wireless ANC earbuds connected up to my Pixel 2 XL, okay? And you can see as we jump into the settings here, I am using the 4K Camera Pro application. This gives me the ability to use Bluetooth audio as an input source. And as I dive in here, you can see if we go into the audio capture settings here, you can see I do have it set to Bluetooth input audio, and then everything else is set to default. So I just wanted to show y'all that screen capture just so y'all know how everything is set up, just for verification purposes right there. Okay? So as we've been going through, we've just been testing the microphones in the ideal situations now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and push play on the crowd noise, and I'm going to continue to talk. This way y'all get an idea of how the microphones would perform in noisy environments, okay? And just so you remember, these bad boys have 4 microphones built in. That's 2 on each earbud. So you should have some really good overall microphone performance. And based on my testing so far, I'd have to say the microphone performance is actually really good. But I'm making this video so you guys and gals could see and hear for yourselves. So let's go ahead and push play on the crowd noise now. Okay, so now the crowd noise is going. And now I'm just going to continue to talk naturally here. And hopefully you should get a really good idea of how the microphones handle ambient or crowd noises, alright? And just so you know, I actually have ANC turned on the earbuds right now. So I can't even hear the crowd noise going right now. I can't even hear myself talk at all. So I hope I'm not yelling too much, but hopefully this should give you an overall really good idea of how the earbuds perform in crowded or noisy environments, okay? So hopefully this sounds good. Hopefully the audio is nice, crisp, and clear, even with the background noise going. Alright, so real quick crowd noise simulation test there. And y'all let me know y'all feedback down below in the comments, as we always do. Alright, so let's go ahead and pause the crowd noise now. And now we can officially bring the video to a close. So once again, this has been a microphone performance test with the DIGDIY ANC ANC truly wireless earbuds and their onboard microphones. As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up, okay? If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And make sure you click off that notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos, okay? And as always, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick up these earbuds, this version I'm testing here, as well as the more expensive version, will be linked up down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. I hope everyone has a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.